Today we're off to Volcano Bay, like some water park, and I just googled about GoPros and stuff and being able to take them in. I can on certain rides, so I'm just gonna sneak them in the pockets of these shorts so I can take them on. But I just want to say before I do go to Volcano Bay, happy Mother's Day to my mum and to my late nans. Like, my nans were always like mums to me as well, so happy Mother's Day to both my late nans and my mum. Like, I'm sorry I can't be there because I'm living off the other side of kind of the other side of the world, like the other side of the Atlantic. But I hope you have a nice day. I know you're not going to see this till the day after Mother's Day, but I hope you had a nice day. I'll make it up to you once I get back. I'll take you out for like a nice meal or something. So enjoy your day, Mum. I will see you. That's what time today. It's 10:20, yeah, so it's 1 o'clock, isn't it? Yeah, no, I can't remember. Yeah, got wet through yesterday. We went on Splash Mountain next corner, but absolutely soaked. Alright guys, we finally have to Volcano Bay. So I'm going to try and vlog as much as I can while I'm there. We'll politely go. Well, I like the music. I'm probably still there now. How you doing on it, Daniel? I didn't wear a toilet. Well, I've had to switch to the GoPro because... Where are the toilets? They're down here, Judge. Because I can't use the camera because it's not waterproof. Use what you want. I'm using it now. That's it.
I just can't wait.
Lazy River next. Round 2 on the same ride. I don't know what it's called, it's just a big rafter. Wobbly bridge. Somewhere. Oh, this is luxury.
Oh. Give him the hat.
Hang on, you're doing good.
You're alright. Here, let me take your hat. Let me take your hat.
That's one way to do it, man. That was crazy.
This is luxury. Alright guys, well, I've literally just been on the worst ride in the entire park. That big mountain behind me, it was so scary. Well, it was scary going up, and then when you get on it, it's literally over in like 6 seconds. And it's just worse when literally the floor just gives way and you just fall. It was just horrible. But now it's the litter, just going to chill out in the wave pool. And back to normal camera. My eyes are so red from out there. But Volcano Bay is over, it's shut, and now we're heading back. I'm so tired. I need to lie down. Yeah, it's been Hey guys, we're finally back. I'm so tired and a little bit sunburnt. One of my shoulders hurts. But I'm going to call it a night now because I'm pretty worn out. I'm going to just chill out for the TV for a bit and then edit the vlog. So thanks again for watching. I will see you tomorrow.